Yeah, Dan, I spoke with the store manager here at Eastside Medical Supply, and he said over the course of 3 days, they sold out their entire stock of medical masks. That has never happened before. He says this is tied directly to fears about the coronavirus. James Herring says it's been unprecedented.
And I've been doing this over this specific, industry over 12 years. I've never seen anything like this.
600 total medical masks sold out in a matter of days. That was 2 weeks ago, and the requests still haven't stopped.
It's been in high demand. People have been calling every day. Still, we get calls every day, but unfortunately, we don't have any.
The coronavirus has now claimed over 900 lives, more than the SARS epidemic. Herring says most of the customers buying those masks were travelers.
People will tell us specifically, that's what they're looking to do, whether they're traveling, in the United States or whether a lot of people are going back to China because that's where they live.
Dr. Imo Lesho, an infectious disease expert for Rochester Regional, explains how the coronavirus compares to SARS.
SARS, when that was around, there was about a 9 to 10% mortality rate. Right now, the evidence seems to indicate that the mortality rate is 1% or less. It's approximately, similar. It's comparable to some flu outbreaks.
New York State has not yet had any cases of the virus, but Dr. Lesho says that could change. The hospital is urging staff members who visit China to stay home for 2 weeks and monitor their symptoms. Bob Duffy, the president and CEO of the Greater Rochester Chamber of Commerce, says that's a model many businesses will have to replicate.
We have a lot of companies here that do business in China. They go back and forth, and big companies down to small. We have a lot of suppliers here. In the area, smaller manufacturing entities which have direct connections over to China back and forth.
And right now, there is nobody reported in Monroe County that has the coronavirus. One person did return from a business trip last week to China. When they returned, they went under voluntary quarantine. I'm told today by the Monroe County Department of Health, that person's still displaying no symptoms. Reporting live in Brighton, Andrew Banis, 13 WHAM News.